sacral, lower lumbar, thoracolumbar, and mid-thoracic to bring relief to specific problem areas. 2 pressurized air pillows lift and relieve in opposite directions, decompressing and aligning your joints. As air pressure lifts and lowers your spine, nutrient-rich fluid is drawn into your disc pads, promoting healthy, well-lubricated joints. An abnormal spine has lost its healthy forward curves. Weight now bears forward on the soft discs, compressing and dehydrating them, forcing material to bulge back toward the spinal cord and nerves. Joints dry up, become stiff, and eventually decay. Discs can also become locked or trapped to one side, causing stiff, uneven bending, leading to further disc damage and arthritis.